Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
Y'all, these guacamole chips, 10 out of 10, recommend.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. But I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the water in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my legs, sending action. These days, no kumaye. Niggas be past 10. Living in the middle, this shit might drive me mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. It's fuck. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner, till I get you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner, till I get
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Happy Memorial Day to everyone. I just wanted to share with you all what I got from the Dollar Tree yesterday. Basically I was bored and didn't have anything to do on a rainy day. So I decided to ride with my mama to the Dollar Tree. She went to go look for some containers to organize her cabinets. So while I was in there, I found me some items. One previous before, which was yesterday, I did a little arts and craft with Brody. I've seen it on Instagram, TikTok, where they take their dog and they put peanut butter, like they get a canvas, get some paint, put it in a Ziploc bag, freezer bag, put peanut butter on the outside of the Ziploc bag and let their dog lick it. And then once they take it out, their dog has painted their own portrait. Sorry for the smoke detector in the back. Battery needs to be changed. But yeah, so Brody did that. I actually did a little something different and I used masking tape to spell out his name. So inserted footage for that already, as you can see. From what I've seen French bulldogs mostly do this arts and craft, but I'm pretty sure any dog, cat, or whatever can do this. He really did enjoy that. He loves peanut butter as a snack. But anywho, so I did insert footage from what I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm getting ready to do my makeup. I have my little makeup thing on so I don't mess up my shirt or whatever. But I saw these individual lashes and you can't go wrong with that. They're $1.25 and plus it comes with the glue. This is, I believe it's Ioni Everlasting Lash Glue. It's vegan. So I had to get that and they're handmade. This is the Wispy medium full 3D curl lash extensions. They had short and they had some longer than this. Depending on how they turn out, I'll be going back to get some more. If you're on a budget and you need your lashes done and you want to save some money, go to the Dollar Tree. You can't go wrong with $1.25 individual lashes. They even have strip lashes, but these look better than the strip lashes that they had. So I can't wait to see how these turn out. Again, Dollar Tree. Also, I've seen some press-on nails, another way to save your coins. They have some cute press-on nails lately other than a beauty supply store. I saw these purple ones. My favorite color is purple. It has like a holographic iridescent on some of them, and then the rest of them are like a matte finish, and then they have them in blue as well. These are the two that I like the most. More than likely I'm going to put on the blue ones today, and then I'm going to probably insert footage after I apply these. A tip to having your press-on stay on longer than normal: file down your nail bed first to get it like to buff it and get all the product or oil off your nail bed. It makes the glue and the press-on stay on longer than normal, because if your nail is not filed down and it has like oil, it's gonna be harder to get that nail to stay on with the glue. So that's just a tip there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these, and the video is probably gonna be sped up, and then I'm gonna come in and show you all the finished look with the individual lashes on. I gotta concentrate. So normally I put on lashes without like a tweezer, but for these I'm probably gonna be using my tweezer. What else? Oh, the water ice. I'm going to be doing a review on the Philadelphia water ice that I found in the Dollar Tree. It's kind of like Italian ice. They had a unicorn flavor. More than likely, it probably tastes like cotton candy. They had a blue raspberry flavor. I think cherry, mango, and maybe watermelon. I got the mango. And what made me pick up the Philadelphia water ice that I seen in their freezer, I don't know if y'all have watched the new series Bel Air on Peacock, but Aunt Viv, you know, she's from Philly, so she mentioned like it's nothing like the Philly water ice. So I was like, oh, that's real cool. So I'm gonna try it and rate it for y'all. So my mom got the blue one, I got the mango one. Again, like I said, I'm gonna try it for y'all and rate it. I hope y'all enjoyed this little mini vlog, this Dollar Tree haul. I also went to Walmart with my mom after Dollar Tree, and I got some things. I got me a cute little mug. It's like an iridescent pink color for my tea. I love that. I believe I do got footage of that, so you'll see that as well. Make sure you again like, comment, subscribe to my channel so we can continue to enjoy each other's company. We're on the road to 400 subscribers. Thank you all for your support. I know this vlog is probably like all over the place. Again, happy Memorial Day, and let's get to it. All right, y'all, so I know I look crazy. I got on my primer to kind of matte my face and dry it out a little bit because I have really, really oily skin. So I already did my eyebrows. As you can see, today I used a regular eyebrow pencil and some concealer and calling it a day. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. Again, this is my primer. Yeah, to kind of like matte my face before I apply my foundation. And then I'm gonna start putting on, once after I apply my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the individual lashes.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And y'all, just the key to applying foundation, you want to make sure you blend, especially like your neck area, because you don't want it to be like two different colors because it's definitely obvious. But yeah, blend, blend, blend. And if you are new to applying makeup, you can always go to like a makeup counter in the mall or even Ulta, and they can help you find your shade. And then also another tip and good thing to know is your skin tone changes in the winter and the summer, whether you're melanated or not. Everyone's skin tone changes. So I feel like I have a more so yellow undertone. But yeah, so blend, blend, blend. And if you don't know your shade, definitely go to like a makeup counter and they can help you find your shade. They also have like different like makeups or concealers that you can use that's very lightweight if you don't want to have like on heavy foundation. So like what they call it, I forget what you call it, but it's like, I don't know, like it's not really a concealer, but it's not foundation where it's heavy. I forgot what you call it. I forget what you call it, but if anyone knows, comment below. And another foundation that I love is the, what is this? The Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I have really large pores and I have oily skin, so this is good for normal to oily skin. And this is in the color Mocha. And also the finishing or setting spray that she uses is important too, because they have different kinds. They have dewy, they have matte. Again, if you know me, I love a matte finish to my makeup because I already have oily skin. Some people have dry skin and like, oh, I wish my skin was oily. No, you don't. No, you don't. Because if you don't use the right products or whatever, like, you can really look greasy. And some people mistake your skin. Oh, you sweat and you hot. No, it's just when you have on makeup and your skin is oily, it comes through. So it was not that I be hot or I be legit sweating. Like, yeah. A lot of people like, oh, you don't sweat. Like, if I work out, like, depending on the type of workout it is, like, I sweat in my hair. Sometimes, like, my underarms, but I don't drip sweat on my face. It's just something I've never done. Like, I can burn as many or more calories than somebody, but I just don't drench sweat on my face. But anyway, that's going off on a tangent. So, yeah. Now I'm about to put on some concealer. And this is Ruby Kisses concealer. Again, you can get like any concealer from the beauty supply store, Ulta. You don't have to spend all your money on high-end products, especially if you don't have it. And you're a beginner, start off small. I didn't know how to always do my makeup. It takes practice, because in college, honey, when people started first filling in their eyebrows, baby, them things were so square and dark and boxy, it didn't make no sense. But people thought that was okay because we were all following the trend and first started filling our eyebrows in. So, and I have really thin eyebrows. At first I didn't, but at a young age, I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go to the nail salon and let them arch my eyebrows. Came out there, eyebrows about gone. So I don't let nobody arch or wax my eyebrows. I do my own eyebrows. For real. And for my birthday, like I said, that was the first time letting somebody professionally do my makeup. But as far as like my eyebrows, removing hair, arching, whatever, no, I do that myself. Because my eyebrows, before I fill them in, used to be way thinner than this. I wish I had thicker eyebrows. I try to use castor oil. Maybe I don't try the little remedy long enough, so I don't know. But what else? And another thing I'm learning too is contour. I'm not really good at contouring. I'm still learning. I'm gonna just be honest. But yeah, I'm not really good at contouring. This is the Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist Long Lasting Wear e.l.f. Setting Spray. And then also too, another key, like if you have oily skin, set your face. You don't have to just set your face after you apply your makeup. You can set it before, during, and after. And then I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to look oily. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 Primer and Setting Spray. Shine Control Locks and Makeup Quick Dry, and it's oil free. I think I got this from Walmart a while back.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me love.
This is a eyebrow top coat. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's supposed to be like waterproof. You put it over top of your eyebrow after you fill them in. And it kind of like protects your eyebrow throughout the day. From like smearing. And again, this came from a beauty supply store. Specifically, I got this from Tyson Beauty Supply Store in Charlotte. But yeah.
Think about you, your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. You're on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and everything. All you wanna hear is an visions on replay. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it today. You're the only one who I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you.
About all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah.
brown liquid lip with Ruby Woo. I think it's, yeah, Ruby Woo MAC matte lipstick. Yeah, for the lip combo. And then I also combined it with it's like a burgundy liquid lip. I had this for a while. It's like this. So I combined these two as the liner and then applied the lipstick. I want it a little redder than this, so give me 1 second. Okay, y'all, so for those who've been following me and supporting me, you already know I got my own cosmetic business, Uniquely Cosmetics. So I went and grabbed my Blush Me, this red, and I'm gonna apply it on top. There we go. I don't know why I didn't think of this at first, but my matte lip glosses right now are on sale for $5. I have this. I have a purple one. It's similar to Heron from MAC. It's called That's Some Dream. I also have Velvet Touch, which is like a nude pink. And then I have a 2 a.m., which is like a brownish nude. So definitely go to my website. The link is in my description. So go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to use the coupon code THANKYOU10 at checkout so you can get a percentage off your order. So let's get into applying these individual to apply eyelashes in a while, so this is definitely a bit of a challenge because I just applied with my fingertips. So let's see. Need to apply some more glue on this one. So far, I feel like these are going to turn out really, really cute. And this is going to be my go-to if I want like a natural look versus the strip lash. So that's how it looks so far. My normal lash, the individual lash. is the individual lashes. See the length and the length of mine. Again, these lashes cost $1.25 along with the glue, $1.25. You're spending less than $3 on some individual lashes. So like I said, if you're trying to save coins and you need an alternative method and you don't like strip lashes, you only do individual lashes, go to the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure they got individual lashes at like CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, whatever. But this is not bad for $1.25. And some people turning those up at Dollar Tree or whatever. Do what works for you, okay? Because that's what I'm doing. I normally wear strip lashes because it's easier, but I wanted to try something different. This is 30. All right, so I have like 2 more pieces to go on this eye, and then I'm gonna start this one, and then more than likely I'm gonna come back after the finished look. So far, I love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. Y'all go cop y'all some individual lashes by Ioni. They have short, they have some longer than this. Like I said, I'm probably gonna go back and stack up. These are 100% handmade, vegan. And yeah, so it looks like they have TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So I'll definitely plug their information in the description below. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm all open for new opportunities. If you want to sponsor me, send me an email. The email is in my description. Again, they have all their information on the back here. I will put it in the description below. And yeah, so these lashes pretty much creates a natural, flirty, and sexy look. All right, y'all, so I completed this eye and I love it. It's full, it's giving length. I finished the top tray. Now I'm gonna do my left eye. And again, this video is not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor me, my email is in my description. I'm open for new opportunities, okay? I'm loving the Ioni Faux Mink individual lashes. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I will put the information in my description so you can check it out. Again, I got these from Dollar Tree. All her information is on the back of the box. Like, she has Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. These are 100% handmade, vegan, and cruelty free. I will get these again and again and again. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. You go get you some too. If you're looking for some affordable, cute individual lashes, I'm gonna get to the other eye because I got somewhere to be, and I'm gonna insert some footage of how the finished look after I do my left eye all together. But yeah, so I love 10 out of 10. It wasn't hard at all. If you are a beginner, I definitely recommend getting somebody to help you because it can be a little challenging. But give it a try. You might be able to knock it out too. It's really not that hard. You need some tweezers. Again, they have the lash glue, and then you're good to go. They have short, medium, and long. So stay tuned for the finished results. They're not heavy. My natural eye, the individual lashes. All right, y'all, so I finished my lashes. I love them. 10 out of 10, recommend. Again, I use both trays. Depending on your eye shape, you don't have to use all pieces on the tray. Again, do what works for you and your eye shape. I love these. I will definitely be going back to get me several pair. And let me know if you would like to see me add lash books or individual lashes to my site. I'll look into that. But again, this video is not sponsored. Again, if you would like to sponsor me, check out my description and shoot me an email. I would love to do that. And again, I will insert this information in the description below. 10 out of 10 recommend. I will be getting these again. The set that I got is the Wispy medium full. I use all trays to get this look. And yeah, I just use eyelash glue by Ioni as well. It's vegan and cruelty free. It does not burn my eyes. My eyes are not red, as you can see. And I love these. And yeah, I will check back in. I will insert some clips as well of my face and everything. But I will check back in once I try the water ice. And that will be the end of this vlog, y'all. I hope y'all enjoying it so far. So I'm about to try the Philadelphia water ice mango. It's Italian ice basically. And like I said, my mama got the blue Hawaiian. I thought it was blue raspberry, but it's blueberry coconut pineapple swirl. That's hers. And mine is just mango. It's non-dairy, gluten-free, and cholesterol-free. And yeah, so I'm about to try it. This also came from the Dollar Tree. It looks like that. Let's give it a try. It's actually pretty good. Like, it's like Italian ice, but it has like a thicker consistency to me. I would definitely get it. I would rate it a 9 out of 10. And again, you can get this from Dollar Tree. It's the Philadelphia water ice. And like you heard me before, my reason behind getting it, it's pretty good. I will get it again. It's not too sweet either. I'm gonna take like 2 more bites and then I gotta go. All right. Again, this is the mango Philadelphia water ice. Amazing, 9 out of 10. Will recommend. And yeah, that's it. That's the end of this little mini haul vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel so we can continue to enjoy each other's company. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Telling me what's up,